Okay, so good morning, guys. Okay, you guys see me in like this shirt with this string around my neck. I'm really like going to work as we speak, and it is Saturday morning. It's probably 6:15 as we speak. So I just wanted to come on here to let you guys know that I've been missing in action for a while because I don't know, like I got a new job and it like takes up so much of my time, so it makes it so difficult for me to do any videos. And also the camera that I was working with, it, I don't know, go south, so I had to stop making videos for a while, and that really depressed me because I was doing so good. I was being consistent with my videos, and then that happened, and then all I had to do was not do any videos on time. So I'm trying to incorporate a new thing here where I do vlogs, but like it's probably gonna be like 1 or 2 vlogs a month because I really don't have the time. I'll probably just like try to put as much clips as possible in that one vlog. It will probably be most of the times when I'm going out, because when I come in from work I'm like so tired and all I want to do is sleep. So you guys will be getting a few videos from me, beginner friendly videos for now, and hauls and possibly fashion videos, so you guys can also look out for that. Now I'm gonna be inserting a few clips of the other day when I went to like a couple parties, I'm not sure, with my crazy ass friends. I hope you guys enjoy that. At least something for you guys to watch for now, so that you can know that I'm still here. I did also see that I gained a couple subscribers, and thank you, big up on yourself, everybody that clicked that red button and subscribed to my channel. Trust me, thank you for doing that. There's like so much more to come. I also need to tell you guys that I did get the Canon G7x camera, so you know that the quality of the video them I got turn up now, and I can't wait for that. I can't wait for you guys to see what I'm coming with. Once again, thank you guys for subscribing, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Hit that red button. I promise you that you will not regret subscribing to my channel. I'm a fresh face to YouTube, guys, so please support me. And if you're a new YouTuber and you also want me to subscribe to your channel, just let me know in the comment box below. I'll be more than happy to do this, because it's like each one helps one, and I'm all about that. Just enjoy the clips of me going out, guys, and see you in my next video. What you say, me? I think this is gonna be a good race. Yeah, she has the Jamaican thing. Oh wait, on the KFC I get this from Big Man. I have to record this ish.
There really are just no words needed.
Right now, in a minute, since my next come, I can't go past through off a tree because I'm supposed to crowd it right now. The beast! The beast! Start my night. Go, go, go! Go! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! The world's greatest! Okay guys, so now I'm finally on my way to the barbecue. I'll give you guys a little bit more of what I'm wearing when I get there. Okay, so it's weird vlogging in Jamaica because people do stare and it's weird. Put you on it. Well, you can come off.
What you do about pressure? Me a look better on the journey, full speed, double decker. No time for stop, so you get fucked wrecker. At in the street, yo dog eat dog, and a be among when I curl up like setter. So you have to skiller than Messi shoemaker, like when Walter Boy the fuck up as decker. When you did that when.
Okay, so I'm thinking we're now here. This is Hope Gardens. In the night, that is. I'm not hearing the party though, because they always have it so far back from the entrance. but I can't see it, which is the struggle. Alright, it's all the way up there.
It's a big league, yeah, at the big league. Right now, me I live my life, and you know, see my life real. It's a big league, whoa, it's a big league.
Finally here, okay. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get inside. Come now, walk in front of me.
Right.
Catch me a vlog.
Progress. We know you know nothing with you. If you're not showing no progress, man, figure through life without no stress. Be friends with some people that's hopeless. Cause them and them chat about things and them screw. I just saw them tongue tan. A stone your bread come from. A jail bunk them want see man head pan. A your nice life them want see you dead from.
They never want to see the success. Who you in? I know them oh well. Move through in the owe them. Give me room. Give me room.
I can't believe this is Russian. Oh my god, it's been years. Meet the second year. Oh, it comes down. Oh, Russian, is that video? Oh my god. Girl, weird. Oh, wait, Instagram live. I'm just coming. It is so. I can't reach your head, I know I can't reach
Serena come back down, you know. I bet they put you in this.
We done kill them already. Get back to the money. All them a preach and preach. Step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach.
Okay? He's also a dancer. Buddy.
Girl, everybody hold me for true. Me stick on just like crazy glue. I swear me no know if you do. That's why me say, give me Caribbean girls. Wine me Caribbean girls. You're worth more than a billion. One in a million. Give me Caribbean girls. Give me Caribbean girls.
Let's go!
Yeah. Drink and smoke if me feel like. Fuck them girl if me feel like. Bust some shot if me feel like. If me feel like bad people need bad.
Oh my god!
I feel like you should have left on the end, you know.
Oh my god! It's not a picture. Yeah, come so tall.
I know, yeah, exactly.
I'm going to say because it's so short. Hold it, Cherise, because you're short. I'll bend down to you.
No, I feel like you don't have to bend down a long way.
No, I'm going off the island.
For me and my little hand.
Yes, it's not even a picture, so I don't know why we're eating up on each other. It's a video.
We're just checking out ourselves.
It's a video. Hey.
So Alicia is sexy. Oh God.
I should be vlogging, but the motherfucking camera is dead. Okay, this sounds like Andre calling. Oh, it's Andre right at my foot.
Okay, alright, save this now. I'm ready. Alright, hold on. Spooky! I'm on.
Good morning, guys. So it's a new vlog day. Yeah. But I'm always in a car when I start to vlog. Well, not really. Yes, so today is, what day is it? Today is Friday, September 23rd. Yes, and this is how I decided to start my vlog. Friday 23rd, new hairdo, new nails. We got some purple, gothic purple nails going on, and I'm going to work. I may look casual, but it's casual day, so that's what's happening. And I'll pick this vlog back up when, I don't know, later or something. Just wanted to say hi to you guys and everything. See you guys later. Okay guys, so this is what is happening inside my dirty mouth. Okay, and this is my side of the nurse, and the other one is going down there. Okay. I'm not sure if I'll be able to speak after I take this seatbelt. Well, my nurse is saying I may not have to take it. Dental assistant, right? She's saying I might not have to take the seatbelt. Woohoo for me! Let's see what happens. See you later, guys. Boy, oh boy. Okay, guys. So now I'm rubbing on this rum and raisin cake. I bought it in the pharmacy, and my fave Arizona watermelon. So I'm rubbing. Stop laughing, like it's so weird doing this thing with you people because all I do is look and laugh and stare. You're going to get used to it.
Who's gonna get used to it?
They're gonna get used to me doing it.
Oh, you're still doing it?
What is that?
I'll never get used to it.
You're gonna get used to it. You're gonna always see me popping out the camera and talking to myself, and you're gonna be like, oh, she's doing that thing today. Okay, I do understand. I'm so mad that they can't. Well, I'm not mad that they can't pull it, but no, I'm gonna have to spend like $100 grand on a root canal. Or pull it, but I have to see the orthodontics to determine that. Good thing saying not paying me, but I need to make a decision fast. I'm not want to wait till it starts paying it before I make that decision. I'm hungry, guys. I'm hungry. I can't pay the money. No, I understand.
Music, everything. No, not
Don't like the camera. Don't like the camera. Anyway, guys, I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, I'm at Shop Annabelle's and I finally got the Morphe 350. You know how much time I'm coming here to try to get up there to from her? Finally got it, and I'm happy. And don't watch my ear. I'm going to do it right now as we. And there's Anna. Say hi.
Oh my god, leave me out of it.
You're pretty anyway. Everybody used to it anyway. What the fuck? Okay guys, so my nails are finally arrived. See her here? Right, she do all the freaking nails. No one get on the bathroom. See her? Well hungry. She's not even swimming. Yes guys, so now I'm going to do my nails And this is the before. It not really want this too, but I want to change the color and go for refill. And then I'll show you guys after. Yes, my ear will be it. My ear just has soon come too. So when no one to flick nails, check tire. Yes, had to take a food break. I need to eat this. I'm on a nail break right now. Hey, I want to I'm afraid. I hope you should have done something. I'm afraid I'm the people. What if my day by myself, my chat now? I can't bother. Okay, got my hair laid and slayed by the Karen Glam. Come say hi, Karen. Say hi to my YouTube. And I say hi. That's why I just do shoot. Yeah. It's not last until tomorrow.
You can't pull the curl in.
Because I'm kind of like fluffy. I didn't know fluffy right now. So work, me I go weird, but me I come back for she fix. Oh God. Yeah. So this is the day. Nails. Hair. Food. Hi guys. Well, I'm finally home. I got so many things done today. I also got my hair done. It's kind of like a temporary hairstyle. I really don't like long hair, guys. Like I prefer my short hair, but I want it to be different for a while. So, and for a while it's probably like a couple days. But yeah, this is a wig that I already had. I just revamped it today to just give me something to work with until the weekend, maybe longer depending on how I feel. I have a closure in the top of my head right here. Don't know if you guys can see that. And I actually just did like a side part thingy. The more you guys get to know me, the more you guys will know that I am not about the short hair life. I mean, the long hair life. I really love my short hair. I also did my nails. I'm not sure you guys will see this really good. It looks like this. It's not really white. It's like a color that changes in the sun. So I'm not really sure you'll see it right now. And I keep looking in the LCD screen. This is what that looks like. It's pretty simple, but it looks really better in the sunlight, guys. But I'm going to an all-white event on Sunday. Today is, oh my God, I don't know what today is. Today is Wednesday, right? So I'm going to an all-white event on Sunday, so I figured it would be good to get my nails in this color. Yeah, I did most of what I had to do today. I didn't take my teeth out. What happened is that they're saying, well, the dental that I went to, or the dentist that I went to, she was saying that the tooth was pretty close to my nerves, and so she had to refer me to like a specialist, someone that specializes in wisdom tooth extraction. Luckily for me, the tooth is not aching me that bad, so I can go on for a little while longer. I see my orthodontics on Monday because I do have to go back and put my bands in, because honestly I kind of took those out myself because they were excruciatingly painful and I just had to remove them. The orthodontics was on, I don't know, I just had to remove them. So I don't even want to go through too much explanation as to what happened with my braces. But I am seeing the orthodontics on Saturday to have everything replaced and refreshed. I'm not looking forward to that because I really do hate braces. They do hurt. well, at least for me. But for the most part, yes, I did a lot of stuff that I wanted to do today. I also got a bit of a few things. My Queen Bee Cocoa Lashes, my Real Technique brush, and I got a few other stuff, but I'm really not in the mood. Okay, so I got a few other items as well, but I'm just not in the mood to like dig up all those stuff. In fact, I don't think you guys would be interested in seeing those stuff. Those were just a few clothing items that I need for work. But I have to say, today was a pretty productive day. I got a lot of stuff done, except that I didn't get to take my teeth out. I'm not sure yet if that's a good or bad thing, because the teeth is really aching sometimes. Oh, I'm pretty greasy, but hey, it was a long day. What can I do about that? I have work tomorrow, so I won't be vlogging until Sunday. So I'm guessing I'm gonna pick this vlog back up on Sunday when I do have some time to do so, because today was my off day, so I had a little bit of time to vlog, but I probably won't have time to vlog tomorrow. I may do a haul and review with some of the items that I have bought, and some of the items that I bought today, and some of the items that I have bought a while back. I bought some other stuff today. I think I bought some pencils and lipsticks and stuff like that, but it's just to find it. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I don't even want to do that. So I'm guessing you guys will see all the stuff that I bought when I do a haul video, which is coming up really soon. Oh, today we were having a conversation in the salon, and I was telling my nail tech that I don't think that the Chinese really do give us chicken. I think it's some other kind of meat, because the chicken generally never looks like chicken to me, and it always tastes, the texture of the chicken that the Chinese give us to eat always tastes pretty different from the texture of the chicken that I buy in the supermarket. So I was telling them I don't think it's chicken, and there were some other persons there as well agreeing with me, and my nail tech was saying it is chicken, and she knows it is chicken. Now, if you guys think that you are eating genuine real chicken from the Chinaman, comment in the box and let me know exactly what you think about this. Do you think you're eating some other meat, or you're being fooled that it's chicken and it's not really chicken, or do you really think that you're eating chicken? Comment in the box below and let me know what you guys think about the Chinese chicken. See you guys in the next clip.
But I'm at school this morning, man. I hurt my heart when I'm doing to my cricket nursery.
Then play some music instead of them boring people that talk on the phone.
Oh gosh, it's not like I would hear some music.
Yeah.
Not sure.
I don't want you right now when we don't reach our work.
No CD.
Andrew's playing the radio this morning, guys. How lame.
Which is a first. You've never heard me play the radio. So
that's pretty lame. So I'm basically here. I can't do a snapshot.
I have lost 3 CDs from morning.
You lost 3 CDs? Oh, you do that?
Because every time I went on the deck, I lost them.
So they must disappear in the day?
In the
Free
deck.
Angels Pharmacy, the premier provider of quality pharmaceutical and road management.
Anyways, I'm always on my way to work, or I'm almost at work. So I just want to hear you guys to hear Andre's stupid explanation as to why it's not music this morning. Because they put them in the deck and the deck take them away, because the deck starts seeing, you know. Yeah.
The passenger, the person in the passenger seat.
Nails. Oh my god, I so love these nails. I so love them, huh?
Load 2 dancers, 1
so love my lipstick from Milani. So dope, guys. And Andre wants to kill me.
For all your security needs, visit
You know, I don't know if you guys can see the eyeshadow. It's from the Naked, the Reveal 3D, having a better view of it now. Hi guys, I'm at work. What up guys? Tonight I'm going to like the all-white party that I was talking about, but I don't feel like well, as you can see, I'm not wearing white, I'm wearing black. That's what I really feel like wearing. I just decided to wear black instead of white. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling. I mean, not everyone is gonna be in white. It says that you're supposed to wear white. I don't think it's like a strict dress code or anything. Now, I did use my Morphe palette as well as my revealed 3D palette to create this look. Also, I'm wearing my Milani pink matte lip cream, and this is in the shade or the color Fling. I think I'm really loving this lipstick. I found myself wearing it really often. It's like I totally forgot about all my other lipsticks, but that's how I am like when I get new stuff that I really like. I think when I get there, I'll give you guys an outfit of the night. I am also wearing my Queen Bee. Let me see. So I'm not sure if you guys like it. I think I actually like the Queen Bee more than I do like the Goddess. I think when I'm wearing the Goddess lashes, it tends to make my eyes look a lot smaller, but the Queen Bee lashes kind of opens it up a bit more. So I think I prefer the Queen Bee lashes, which is why, guys, it's always good to try new stuff, because I was so obsessed with the Goddess lashes, even though I really had a problem with it, the fact that it made my eyes look smaller. Oh my god, how do people vlog? Like, my hands are like killing me. So anyways, I'll see you guys at the party. I don't know how much clip I'm gonna get because I'm always late. Like, I wasn't sure if I was gonna go because I was just having wardrobe problems. But I'm still gonna try and see what I can make of it, and I'll try to vlog as much as I can. So see you guys there later, guys.
My girl, come flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Make your bumper flip like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. You're deaf, y'all. Wind up on my body, girl. Why like it's a carnival? Girl, me love the way you wine for me. Girl, your wine is so emotional. So wind up on my body, girl.
And everybody's looking at me as they pass.
Channel. Money can't buy life, money can't buy health, money can't buy respect. You have to know real wealth. No for them fall because them too hype.
Guys, I'm home. I'm so home. I'm so, and I want to say wasted. I had so much fun. Okay, now I didn't get to go to the party that I was supposed to go to. Oh my god, I'm such a mess. Okay, I didn't get to go to the party that I was supposed to go to. That is the all-white party. But I did, well, I did go. Technically, I did go. But what happened was when I got there, it was like 12:45. And they were closing off at like 1 o'clock. So I didn't felt like I wanted to go in there at that. If you're a Jamaican, you know what that like. You know, a party going close off 1. And you go there at 12:45. Hell no. Now, I left there. And I went to another party. Which was, well, let me be honest, I really thought that it was gonna be like a suck ass night, because, and by suck ass I mean like dead ass boring, because I was so mad because I didn't get to go to the first party that I had planned to go, and I wasn't in the mood. But I was trying so hard to like not mess up my night and not feel like so bad and stuff. So basically what I did was like I got a whole bottle of vodka and I just tried to drink to get in the mood. Can you believe? As soon as I started to get in the mood, everybody started to walk out of the party. Everybody started to walk out to the party. I was like, where me and my mood going? Because we just felt like party. I still had some fun, you know, and I was very happy that I went back out because I had fun. Now, like, I want to talk to you guys about a lot of stuff, but I really don't have anything to talk about. And I don't want you guys to think like I'm drunk, because I'm not. I'm just feeling so good. I don't know why. I like when I'm in a bad mood and then like I get out of that mood and just feel awesome. But what's not so awesome is that I have work in like 5 hours. It's now, oh, I don't even know where my phone is. Let me see. Let me tell you guys exactly what time it is. I need to learn to vlog. You know, I need to learn to hold a camera. So it's now 3:15. I'm going to have to wake up at about 8, so I have time. Yeah, that's how my Sunday night went. Yes, that was really fun. I mean, in the beginning it was like so crazy. Like, I had a dress, like a cute white dress I had to wear, and it got messed up, and it, from that point on, I was like struggling to find something else I thought was cute enough to wear to this party, and it was like not happening. But you know when you like already put your makeup on and it's like so bomb, and you decide like nothing in the world is gonna stop me from going out tonight. That's what happened tonight with me. I put my makeup on, my dress got messed up afterwards, and I was like, am I really gonna wash my bum ass makeup off? And I was like, no, that's not gonna happen. Guys, like, I'm just coming out of a 5-year, let me be honest, it was like a 5-year relationship, and it was so many memories, so much time invested, so much everything, and it took me so long to get through this phase. I do have a bump here. Don't watch that. Oh my god. And I feel like I'm at the stage where like I'm over that, and I just wanna have fun, and I just wanna be selfish, and I just wanna love myself, and I just wanna enjoy life, you know. I mean, it's a lot to explain about that relationship, and it was really tough and rough for me. I mean, the last 2 years of that relationship was basically like hell because of the love that I had for the person. Like, it made me stay, but I got through that, you know. I got through that. I can say I got through that, and I'm like so blessed, and I'm like so happy, and I'm like, I feel like I'm finding myself again. I feel like I'm loving myself again. I feel like I'm having confidence in myself again. I feel like I'm doing things that I wouldn't normally do because of the type of relationship that I was engaged in, and I'm happy. I mean, like, I really am. Like, I think I like this more, you know what I'm saying? And if you are a female and you are in a relationship and you are unhappy, but you do love a person, but maybe that person is not doing what he's supposed to do, or maybe that person is doing everything in the world for you to feel bad about yourself, don't feel bad about wanting to exit that relationship, and don't feel bad about exiting that relationship. Nothing in the world is more, I don't know what to say, but like having like a peace of mind is like the best thing you could ever have. Learn to love yourself. Like, don't feel all the time that you have to have someone. Don't feel all the time that you have to be in a relationship. Like, learn to love yourself. I so wished I had made some decisions like a long time ago. Feeling really good, and I want to apologize for not vlogging more and giving you guys more clips, but I'm super shy, and it's really hard for me to pop this big ass out. So you guys met Kino today. That is good. Kino is my friend, and I love this nigga. Like, he's dope and all, but I think Kino needs to learn how to treat females. Like, he's not my boyfriend or anything. He's just a co-worker that likes to party and hang out and have fun, and he's dope, but he's just such, like, I don't even know the word to describe Kino right now. You guys need to just like comment in the box below and tell Kino, treat women right, you know. I just think I'll tell you guys that I'll see you in my next clip. Now, I don't know if I'm being too talkative. Some people may like that, some people won't, but I don't care. I'm just trying to do a vlog here, and I really don't know what to say other than what is on my mind, and I'm not gonna fake it. I'm gonna be real with you guys all the time about what I'm feeling, and most of the times you will get my real feelings when I drink. Say good night to you guys, and I think I'll probably end the vlog here. I wanted to do a vlog so that you guys could get to know me a little bit more and get to know the person that you're watching. I'm trying to do everything because I want to grow with you guys, and I want you guys to grow with me. You know, I'm not crazy, just in case you guys are already thinking that I'm just a fun-loving person that loves to have fun. I hope you guys see that. So this is the end of the vlog. I just want to let you guys know that I love you so much. Big up to all of my new subscribers. Stay blessed, to all the persons that subscribed to me from way back then. I mean, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Click the red button, that subscribe red button. I mean, and if you don't feel like you are ready to subscribe, like, I still love you guys, you know, and I really want the best for my channel, and I'm going to try my best, even though I'm pretty shy, guys. I'm gonna try my best to give you guys great content. I love you guys, and see you in my next vlog.